part of Blue Light UK. Today, hindi lang po ang pinag-uusapan natin. It's not just about an insurance policy or just selling insurance. It's not just that. Today, na-mention ko nga po kanina na already have close to 100 clients. In fact, in Blue Light po, mas marami po po yung magiging friends ninyo. And my clients are already consulting me with other aspects of their life. Like really for today, and because of that, and at this time I would say that I've already given glory to God all my life. So that's it. And also I forgot to mention, earlier we discussed about the travel and all. So this is also my first year to qualify for the protection drive. So this is the first year that I'm going to experience the VIP treatment that only Blue Light UK can offer.
So one last thing, very quick, any message to our audience for tonight?
I just like to give a quote. I always tell this to my friends all of my Blue Light. I like to quote Abraham Lincoln in his quote that says, if you want to, the best way to predict your future is to create it. So the decision that you're going to make tonight will definitely change your future. And your past, Blue Light UK will not, you don't care about your past, whether you're a manager, you are an employee, you're young or old, or gracefully aging. You don't care about it. But what is important is your decision tonight. So it's either you leave this room, you do not sign up, or you join us today, right here, right now.
Alright, very well said. Lauren, anything you'd like to add?
Okay, today is here and to share our passion in our team. This is primarily not a selling career, but this is a career where you educate people on how to save. So if your passion is to help those loved ones to have a secure future, to have fun for those critical illness, to retire happily, then this is the right venue for you.
Alright, thank you so much. I'm sure by just hearing your stories, our audiences are very much interested and excited to join the business of providing UK. So again, ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for our speaker. May I call on Sir Joe to award a special token of appreciation for our speakers tonight. Again, another round of applause for our speakers for tonight. Thank you so much. Okay, so as you have heard and as you have seen, ladies and gentlemen,